Are you looking for the best sublimation papers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation papers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Printer's Jack Sublimation Paper. If you're into DIY projects, we can recommend this paper for vibrant and lasting results on your customized items. We recently had the chance to use the Printer's Jack Sublimation Paper for a variety of projects. Our experiences were overwhelmingly positive, as the printed designs transferred onto merchandise with impressive clarity and vibrant colors. This paper stood out in our test runs as being especially user-friendly for beginners. We found that the high transfer rate allowed us to preserve much of the ink, which proved cost-efficient. However, we did encounter minor drawbacks. On a few occasions, we had to deal with paper jams, a common enough issue that requires careful handling of the paper, particularly with printers prone to such problems. We also noted that the edges of the paper tended to curl up sometimes, requiring us to ensure they lay flat before printing. Overall, it's safe to say that Printer's Jack provides a reliable sublimation paper option that we've found to be effective for various projects, from t-shirts to ceramic mugs. Despite a couple of hiccups, the pros clearly outweigh the cons. At number 2. Seogol Sublimation Paper. We found that Seogol Sublimation Paper brings a noticeable quality improvement to our projects and is certainly worth considering for your sublimation needs. Working with the Seogol Sublimation Paper recently has been an eye-opener for us. Swapping from regular copy paper, the first thing we noticed was the intense color vibrancy it brought to our custom t-shirts. Their 125 GSM weight felt substantial and handled heavy ink loads gracefully, which can often be a challenge with lighter papers. However, while we enjoyed the quality of print on light fabrics, there were moments of frustration when dealing with printer jams. In our experience, these were occasional and seemed to resolve with some troubleshooting. These sheets are tailored for textiles like t-shirts and mugs, so consider your substrate choice before purchasing. Eco-friendliness is something we also keep an eye on, and it's worth noting that this paper comes with a biodegradable warning, which is an added benefit. If your crafting or business requires consistent and professional quality prints, we think you'd appreciate this product's performance, granted your printer harmonizes with its thickness. They're a steadfast option, especially when the output is a priority over the occasional hiccup during printing. At number 3. Printer's Jack Sublimation Paper. This sublimation paper stands out for its quick dry time and lasting image quality post-transfer, making it a solid pick for creative projects. The ease with which we transferred images onto substrates using this paper certainly impressed us. It wasn't long before our workshop was filled with mugs, t-shirts, and mousepads, each emblazoned with bright, clear graphics. The Printer's Jack Sublimation Paper allowed us to make the most of our design talents. Our satisfaction was only slightly tempered by needing to double-check the paper's dimensions. Some sheets were marginally larger than expected. We recommend verifying the size before using it to avoid any jamming issues in your printer. Handling a batch of this sublimation paper, we felt confident in its ability to produce professional quality items from a home workspace. Whether we were creating personalized gifts or prototypes for a larger project, the results were always as expected, sharp and long-lasting. At number 4. ASUB Excellence. We think you'll appreciate this sublimation paper for its consistent quality and excellent color transfer. Finding the right sublimation paper can be a game-changer for our DIY projects, and we found ASUB to be a reliable choice that delivers vibrant colors and sharp, clear images. The paper is thick but dries quickly, preventing our designs from bleeding or ghosting. It's a pleasure to work with a product that performs as expected, especially when time and consistency are key. In our experience, this paper has indeed a transfer rate to brag about. We've tried it on various materials and are impressed with the richness and clarity of the final product. Whether it's mugs or phone cases, the custom designs we've printed look professional and are incredibly durable. Our caution comes when working with materials that have a higher cotton content. While the paper is versatile, we've observed that for the best results, it's wise to stick to lighter colors and substrates with less cotton. That said, when we used it within its ideal range, we're always pleased with the flawless transfers it provides. With its ease of use and superb quality, we believe ASUB sublimation paper is an excellent choice for experienced crafters and newcomers alike. This product makes our creative endeavors feel limitless. At number 5. HTVRONT 120 GSM Sublimation Paper. Considering our recent crafting session, we can confidently say that this HTVRONT sublimation paper is definitely worth considering for your vibrant and long-lasting printing needs. We recently got hands-on with HTVRONT sublimation paper and were quite impressed with the print quality. Transferring our custom designs onto various substrates, from t-shirts to ceramic mugs, yielded consistently vibrant and sharp results. It's no wonder why our craft projects turned out so eye-catching. The paper's high transfer rate truly did justice to our digital artwork. If you've ever been frustrated with sublimation papers that warp or wrinkle under high temperatures, this product is a game-changer. We put our printed items through several wash cycles and even left a test piece in direct sunlight for a day. To our satisfaction, there was no noticeable fading or cracking. The paper's performance lived up to its premium quality claim. However, as adept this paper is for crafting, we noticed it caters specifically to light-colored fabrics and substrates. Those of you who love working with a darker canvas might have to look elsewhere. It's also key to point out that successful printing can only be achieved when used with sublimation ink. Remember, store the paper properly after use. Its sensitivity to environmental factors such as humidity is not something to overlook. In the realm of sublimation printing, our experience leads us to recommend HTVRONT sublimation paper as a top contender for anyone serious about their crafting. Whether it's for personal use or professional, the results speak for themselves: vibrant, durable, and truly impressive.